What is up, guys? We are back here with another installment for Project AP1 S2000. If you recall in the last video, we had sent the front bumper out for paint. It is now back and on the car. Like all things in typical slip angle fashion, we film a lot of footage around here, and sometimes things seem to get a little misplaced. So I kind of lost that footage. I don't know where it is, so we're not going to show that install, but the bumper install is fairly simple. If you want to see how to do it, just go back to where we took it off and you'll see exactly what's required when I took the stock one off. So the next part of the project, zooming in here, is fitting this Seibon carbon fiber hood. And the reason why I went with this hood is because it has this bulge right here, which is to clear the J's Racing ram air intake system here. And as you can see here from my old stock hood, there's a line that was kind of cut in here because even though I cut the skeleton and everything out, it just didn't quite fit right. Now, again, more footage that I may or may not have lost. The Seibon hood does not come with this cutout right here. The skeleton is whole. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rewind right now, and I'm gonna take you through the process of making this spot. Super zoomed out.
I am super zoomed out.
Give us some wide butts on that lens.
Yeah, Matt, you gotta be right up in our shit with that bitch.
Right up in our beeholes. Whoa, that's close.
Oh man.
Oh my
Get it.
goodness.
Bend over, Brian.
You got it in my earwax.
Let's have a look and see how you've been eating. All right, what do we got going on here?
his ear?
I'm gonna do the bottom one first because that seems like it's gonna be more of a pain in the ass to get to.
Like me to support the hood while I
Oh, Matthew,
video too.
you be in on this, buddy. This is a full slip angle crew joint effort here. Three guys,
Contributing.
One hood.
3 bros in one hood. I think we just might have a viral video here.
Quinn, that 10 mil looks like it wants to find a home in your engine bay.
Oh,
You better hold tight.
I've definitely lost a bunch of these in the engine bay.
Watch out, the guy that drops it in there.
You see, you can buy like tool sets that are.
you?
So you can buy like tool sets that are literally just all 10 mils.
Can you really?
All different types of sockets.
You
and
really
stuff.
need to buy like a 10 mil variety pack.
Yeah.
That just has
They
like
have them.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, fluke. I'm chewing gum again on camera. I chew gum, guys. I'm sorry. Someone say I'm trying to quit smoking, but I don't smoke.
Is that Nicorette?
No, it's Trident. Cinnamon.
Trident White?
Bro, Amazon, you get, I think it's like, I bought like 16 or 20 packs for 15 bucks, bro.
You go to Costco for that shit.
Don't even, get the out your privileged Costco.
Privilege?
Don't be asserting your privilege on me, buddy.
When I go to Costco, I do not feel privileged.
Bougie mother?
I can't even, Brian, do you have a Costco card?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I know dues.
Same here.
It's dog food. That's what I get the most there. It's cheap.
You get to buy them in bulk, bro.
My dog eats a lot of food.
Some guy was watching the house when he was making fun of my clothes. He's like, well, now I know why you dress like such a scrub all the time.
Alright, everybody relax.
Okay.
Got a lot of shit going on.
That with his head.
Brian, you all right, buddy?
I got a lot
You
of
need
shit
to get my
going on.
brother involved in this, too?
No, he's busy.
Currently busy.
No, I'm good.
In case the world doesn't know, that's my other brother, Tyler.
Hi world.
Tyler.
I'll be here all week.
All right.
We're doing great.
We didn't even say why we're doing this.
You guys.
We gotta
Weight reduction.
We gotta cut this thing out for the snorkeler.
You guys don't need me anymore, right? I'm just like in
No,
the
but I'm gonna need Brian. So Brian, I want you to stand this up on the corners and just.
Easy,
Oh,
buddy.
man, I already hear shit rattling around in there.
What's in there? Mouse poop?
Could be mouse poopies.
When we cut this
Alright.
hole in it, we could, you know,
Show
get
the
it
world
off.
what you're doing, Q.
You know, it would be nice if there was like some clear indication on what you're supposed to do here, but I think I'm just gonna have you hold and I'm gonna trace out to the best of my ability.
You gonna eyeball it?
And eyeball this bitch. Well, it's like, what are you gonna do? You know, like you can't even like cut this and make it look like that awesome. It's gonna look like a turd no matter what. The hood fits like turd, so Might as well just cut it like a turd too.
I like the idea of putting like some kind of white grease on that carbon fiber where it's going to hit, and then just close the hood down on it so it marks it. But we already.
You gotta cut it like a whole notchy out.
Yeah.
I don't know if this is gonna show up on here, this blue marker. So we're basically gonna just look at the bulge on this side.
You want to look at the bulge on this side too?
It kind of marks it.
I don't know. Quinn heard that.
I heard it. I heard it.
This is not acknowledging
I'm
it.
just not acknowledging it. I'm constipating here. Where are we? I think no, I'm pretty good. I might have to open this up a little bit more.
This is about as long as I am.
Bro, it's taller than you.
Almost.
Stop shaking it. You're making me
Sorry.
mess up here. Jeez.
You're an artist, Quinn.
Yeah, right. I couldn't even draw a fucking stick figure to save my life.
What's he drawing over there? Bunch of.
Just, I don't know, a line.
This is a joke. I'm like so off right now. Hold on. We're gonna
Is this a how-to?
We're gonna cut this line a little bit tighter. This is awful. You know, they used to give you a template with the intake, and I lost it. That like
How
kind
long
of
ago did you get this intake?
years ago.
About the last time the Honda was running, right?
When I completely annihilated my stock hood for this thing. All right, and then I'm gonna have to kind of make a bendy boo.
Can you see with that color?
Yeah.
Matt, why don't you give the viewers an FD update?
FD, we're almost done.
Don't.
Yep.
Don't even show that. You stop it. Stop it.
Just about done.
Nothing's done.
Yeah, the rotary Miata's been running for a little while.
Just don't. Oh yeah, give an update on that. There you go.
There's putty.
I got 2 P-port housings that aren't even finished P-ports.
They're puttied. Look at that on both sides.
Bro, I can't even make a car that mostly runs run. My S2000 has been sitting for 2 years. You expect me to do a rotary Miata build? You're crazy.
That was this year.
So bad. All right, I don't even know what I'm gonna cut this with. What do we got in here?
Don't pan over there.
Oh yeah, speaking of things that are done.
This is fucking shit on Quinn Day here?
No, this is shit on Ryan right now.
Oh, that's your
Yep.
I'll take something.
Although this came out great.
Real
The
nice.
PPF and your transmission. I saw the story. That came out real good. Legend.
Legend.
I don't know what I want to use to cut off here. I got a little wheel.
A wheel.
I should probably do a bigger wheel. Oh, fudge. This thing leaked juice all over the place in here.
Real professional crew over here.
This is a joke.
I like my job.
Hold hood.
Hopefully it won't be very dusty. All right. Safety first, kids. Dust mask, glass saws. Matthew doesn't have any on. You can't see him though, so it doesn't count.
I'm gonna die.
I'll be right here.
I'm hopefully not going to total this thing. I'm going to cut a small window, I think, just to see how close I can get in here. So, no, it, I'm just going to go right for it. I don't have patience for this.
Here, wait, I got an idea. I'm gonna open this garage door and turn the fan on. How about that?
Oh, perfect. Okay. Hold your breath, Matthew.
Oh.
question. Probably not. I should probably open it up more.
It's on the
I'm gonna bring this down like this, and I'm gonna come to this. Okay, so we're done. I don't feel like putting this thing on enough, so I just cut a good amount away.
It matches the bulk pretty good.
Yeah. Now that I feel like I just took 5 years off of my life, I'll just kind of give her a quick little clean up here to get rid of any of the jaggies.
Ooh, let's do the magic cleanup. Ready? We'll snap my fingers and it'll be clean.
Do it up, Matthew.
All right, ready?
Didn't work. It's a French.
I thought it was gonna work.
You should leave that and then snap again. Like magic.
Bro, imagine being the RWB guy. He like inhales this shit every day.
You also chain smoke cigs though.
And he chain smokes cigs. That guy's got iron lungs, I swear. Okay.
All right, now it's sanded. Woo! All right, Quinn, you blowing?
Bros blow each other.
Oh,
Oh, buddy!
I blow you.
Yo, look at that t-shirt.
Oh yes. How was that, DJ?
I don't even need to take a shower now.
You want to talk about the stuff that we're using?
So Matthew, because he's such a sweet guy, got me all this. What do you call this, anyways?
Yeah, it's just like
Ass gasket,
edge trim.
edge trim, with double sticky. So I'm just gonna. Oh, I think I'm just gonna peel a little nub off like that and jam me right here in this little corner where I have a notch. And I'm just gonna start working it around. Man, so much pressure here.
Great, Quinn.
Thanks, Matthew. You know, it really helps having your and Brown's and my brother's emotional support right now in a time like this. Sometimes when I do this shit, I just ask myself, like, if I'm self-masochistic. Like, who f***ing does this? I'm like pissed off too that this hood like doesn't fit that great. It's Seibon. They're supposed to be like good. I guess that's what I get, right? This is a knockoff of a Mugen. Should've just bought a Mugen for $3 grand.
$3 grand for
$3 grand for the f***ing Mugen.
How much was this one?
This one was like $700 and change, I think.
It's still a decent amount.
Yeah, it wasn't cheap.
And it's done. Look at that. All cleaned up. Got some trim around it. Profesh. Right, Quinn?
Now watch, it's not gonna clear everything, so.
All right, let's try it.
Okay, careful, buddy, you're gonna get a fiberglass sliver. Watch your back, you're gonna get a tripod up your beehole.
My beehole.
Alright, you can do your side first because you got the wrench. Just watch the corner there. Yep.
I left the.
It's gonna go a little bit
Fold
more
in there.
towards you.
Towards me?
Yeah, there it is.
They in line.
It looks great.
Maybe you need to go this way.
You have to compress it.
This Sony game is pretty sweet.
Go like this.
Was it hitting or?
It's not hitting.
Oh, the hood you're saying? We can adjust that.
Yeah, it's gotta go back a little bit. Like to me. Like towards the back, towards the windshield.
It works.
Awful. Yeah, we need to go over. All right, guys, that is it for this install. The fitment on this hood is, how you say, a little disappointing. Seibon was supposed to be a better brand of carbon fiber hood. The driver's side here is not too bad. You do see a little bit of a gap right here. I don't know how well that's gonna pick up on camera, but I can get my fingers in here. The passenger side is just absolutely freaking atrocious. There's a huge gap, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this hood. Look at this is with adjustments to the front and the rear. I didn't film it because I really put some time in trying to get this thing to fit as good as I can, and it doesn't. So it doesn't look terrible from here, but it doesn't look great when you get up front. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but on the bright side, the car is that much closer to being roadworthy again and running. So in the next installment, we're gonna be putting in one of those Sure-Eye 5-pound batteries like I installed in my RX-8. If those of you were paying attention before, you might have already saw it in there. Again, because this clip is being filmed in present time and that footage was filmed over the summer. So stay tuned for that next installment coming soon. Done.